Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to extend laptop battery life in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you using your laptop and without electricity and that has battery, and you might be looking for how to extend your battery life in your Windows 11. So in order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11 start menu, and then you need to click here setting. After click over setting, in the right side you're going to find here something say power and battery. After click over power and battery, you're going to find here something say battery saver. We're going to extend it. For example, you using your laptop right now and you want to turn on immediately battery saver, you can click here turn on now. That means your laptop going to be immediately turn on battery saver, and that's going to be give you a more performance or more battery backup. Also, you can see something say turn battery saver on automatically at whenever it is in 20% or 50%, or either you want to turn on always. So that means if you turn on always that whenever you're using your laptop with a battery, that's going to be always turn on battery saver, and it's going to be give you a long time to use your laptop. So within this way, you can easily extend a laptop battery life in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.